how to calculate cash flow for a commercial property. It's pretty simple. Let me show you how. All right, so we're going to start off with a 5-unit apartment building, okay? And the purchase price is $600,000. We're going to put down 25% as a down payment. We're going to finance the rest. 6.5% interest rate, amortized over 30 years. The payments are $2,844 per month. Okay, got that? All right. Okay, so we have 5 units. Each are renting at $1,200 a month. Okay, so 1,200 times 5 units equals $6,000 a month. Okay, I want to get a yearly figure, so I'm going to multiply that by 12 months, so that equals $72,000 per year. Okay, and that's $72,000 a year in gross rental income. Follow me so far? Okay. Now, from this gross rental income of $72,000, I do, as a good practice for you, is to subtract a 5% vacancy factor from the $72,000. Why is that? It's because this is a yearly figure here, and you cannot expect to be 100% occupied for the entire 12 months. You're going to have someone move out, right? They lost their job, they're upgrading, they're moving back home, what have you, and you're going to have a move out. So this vacancy factor is what we call a safety factor in commercial real estate. So the industry standard, if you don't know what it is to take 5% off the $72,000. Okay, so $72,000 minus the vacancy factor of 5% equals $68,400. We call this number the effective gross income. Okay, so effective gross income is gross rental income minus vacancy. All right, now from your $68,400, we have to subtract now your operating expenses, which are basically taxes, insurance, utilities, repairs, property management, okay, normal and recurring monthly expenses, okay? We're going to compute that to be $23,940. How did that come up with that number? As an industry standard, we use 35% of the income as expenses, okay? So if you don't know what the expenses are on a given commercial property, use 35% of the income, of the effective gross income, as expenses. Got it? All right. So the $68,400 minus your operating expenses equals $44,460. Very crucial number in commercial real estate. We call this the net operating income, or NOI. Okay, very important number. This is a driver of the commercial property values, okay, and cash flow. All right, now the whole goal is to calculate the cash flow, right? Okay, so we have income minus expenses minus the mortgage, okay? The mortgage is called your annual debt service, or ADS, your yearly mortgage payments, all right, of $34,128. How does that come out with that number? If you recall, the monthly payments for this property are $2,844. So I take the $2,844, I multiply it by 12, and it equals $34,128. So I take my income minus expenses minus my mortgage equals my cash flow, okay, of $10,332. That is how you calculate cash flow on a commercial property. Got it? Income minus expenses minus your mortgage equals cash flow. All right, there you go.